So guys, what up? How we doing today, guys? How we doing today? So we all know what we are here for, right? Like live trading, live analysis, and also teach you how to make it big in the forex market. So my chart is still loading. So my chart is loading. So we're about to make it hard this morning. So let me get if my audio is clear before we proceed. What's going on? What's going on with my network? Man, it's time, it's time, guys, it's time. Hard this morning. So let me get if my audio is clear before we proceed. What's going on? What's going on with my network? Man, it's time, guys, it's time. Hard this morning. So it's taking forever, man. It's taking forever, man. It's taking forever. So let me refresh. Sorry. Yeah. Let me refresh my chat. Yeah, let me refresh my chat. So what is here? Finally, the chat is here. So basically, before we jump into any other trade for today, we need to analyze the chart, know where the market is going to be sure of what we're doing, right? To be sure of what we're doing before we jump into any trade, right, guys? The network is not bad or slow or whatsoever. Okay, all right. So as you can see right here, this is my trade. So I woke up and I analyzed this chart, although I didn't enter the trade, but I know the direction the markets will be heading to, right? Will be heading to. So if you really want to analyze the chart like this, right? If you really want to know how to analyze the chart like this, right? All you need to do is to click the subscribe button, right? Just click the subscribe button if you want to know how to analyze a chart like this. So it's very, very important. You know this, right? Where the market is going to, and this is good, right? This is good. This is good. All right, guys. So as you can see right here, this market is level right here. Market is retesting this level, right? This is fine. So it's basically retesting this level to to keep pushing down, right? To keep pushing down, right? This particular level right here is respecting this level. So, oh my god, network. My network is bad. My network is extremely bad. My network is bad beyond bad, and I don't like it. Enjoy. I don't like seeing my network bad like this. So, you guys to see everything, right? Just see everything clear. So basically, we're expecting a retest around this side, right? And that's to join my live. All you need to do is to count, right? Just fund. Fund your account. Fund your account. So in it. So we are basically waiting for a retest right here. Okay? We're waiting for a retest around this side. So if it retest that level, we are expecting it to retest here. Look here, retest this side, then push back down to this level right here. Right? Let me make it clear for you, please. Particular level. Get back down to retest this, all the way down to retest this level, right? Retesting a particular level and keep pushing that back in that same direction. So we will catch every move step by step. We need to catch, sorry, we really need to catch each move that is dropping, right? Each move. We just need to catch every move, right? We need to catch every move. So we are expecting a retest around this side, either this side or virtually get to this. right here. So here, and where you're watching from, drop where you are eventually watching from, drop where you are watching from, drop where you are watching from at the comment section, drop where you are watching from. Don't forget to smash the like button too. Very, very important. Smash the like button because we are going to do it live and direct here. So now, so as I said earlier, this is a trade I analyzed this morning. So I, even if I should, right? Even if I should said, yeah, I'm going to buy, right? Or I'm going to sell that morning, I would have taken my sorry, I would have break even right here. I would have already break even, right? So eventually I didn't enter this trade. So I didn't enter this trade. I only analyzed it. But from now on, we are going to be trading live, and we need to wait for confirmation to see what the market is doing, right? To see what the market is doing so we can get into the market. So as I told you guys, right, market will eventually get to retest this particular trend line right here. So let me make it bold. Let me make it bold. I really need to make it bold so you can see it. So it will get over here to retest this level, right? If it gets over here to retest this level, then it's possibly going to get down, right? It's possibly going to get down to this place right here. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys it. Now, if the market retests this particular level right here, it will get all the way down to this particular level, right? Let me make it bold again. It will get all the way down to this particular level right here, right? And if market gets all the way down to this particular level right here, all we are waiting for, right? All we are waiting for, right, is to see, right? Immediately it gets to this particular level, break even, tighten your stop loss. That's how it should be. Then we will now wait to see if immediately it breaks here, going to get into the market around and take out this side, right? Side. So for now, right? For now, we are waiting to see what the market will do. And this is 15-minute time frame. And that's why I say if you want to join my live, right? If you want to join my live, make sure you fund your account. Please drop where you are watching from. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Right? Where are you watching from? Drop it at the comment section. And if you are possibly finding value in the video, right? In the live, basically, drop it at the comment section, right? Drop it at the comment section and let's make it happen big time. So as you can see, this is my this $500 right here, right? $500. So let's see. And so let's get down to 5 minute time frame. Let's get down to 5 minute time frame. Let's see what the market is doing, right? 5 minute time frame. Okay, this 5 minute time frame. So 5 minute time frame. This 5 minute time frame. So I possibly believe that you guys know what your support and resistance are, right? I believe that you guys know what your support and resistance are. And what we are doing here is called price action, strictly price action, right? If you look at my charts, it has nothing like too much indicator. In fact, it has no indicator on my charts, right? And we keep cleaning it back to back. So before our price gets to retest our zone, let me show you guys one or two things, right? Let me show you guys one or two things. As you can see right here, this is my trade for yesterday. If you joined my live yesterday, you will possibly see that this is my trade yesterday. This is the trade that we took yesterday, right? Profit yesterday. And at the same time, yeah, that was this was a day before yesterday because I didn't do live, and this is my profit for yesterday, right? This is my profit for yesterday. This one right here, this long movement is my profit for yesterday. And that's why I will always tell you guys that if you want to join my life, right? If you really want to join my life, I'll be making some cut of money. All you need to do, fund your account. Let's make the money together. Because everything we are possibly doing here, we are waiting for confirmation, and I'm doing it live in front of you. And if you want to join my mentorship program, check the link at the description. You can possibly go there and join the mentorship. All right, it just has it's not that expensive. You can join. So guys, that's get zone that we are expecting it to retest, right? Let's get to the zone that we're expecting it to retest, right? So don't rush into the market yet. Don't rush into the market until you see a sign. that is eventually that is trying to retest that zone. But for me, I believe that yeah, it's trying to retest a zone, right? Possibly trying to retest a zone. So immediately we see a sign that we are supposed to get into the market, I will alert you and get into the market. So this is 5 minute time frame. So let's get back to our 15-minute time frame. Let's get back to our 15 minute time frame. Please, please drop comments. Drop comment, right? It is will help the YouTube algorithm to share the life with more people that really want to change their life, right? That really want to change their life. So all you need to do, right? All you need to do right here, all you need to do, just drop comment, right? Just drop comments. If you are learning, drop comments. Because another thing is for you to know how to analyze the market, right? Without piling up indicators on your chart, right? Without putting more indicators on your chart. That is another one. So another one is for you to know when to enter the market and when to take your profit, right? And because each move, each move, right, must possibly get to a level where it will drop, right? It will drop or keep going up, right? It will either drop or keep going up. So, and as you can see right here, why I am certain that this market will still push back down is because it has given us a double top right here. It has given us a double top. And not just that, if you look closely, or if you let's just say, let's zoom out and see. If you look closely, you will possibly see that it has not gotten to any key level, right? It has not gotten to any key level. So that is another probability that yeah, the market we still gonna push back down, right? We're still gonna push back down. So since we'll be using this, let's try another 5 minute time frame to get the clarity of what the market is doing at that particular zone again. So as you can see, it has been in that zone for a while, right? That's been in that zone for a while. So now, if I should get into the market, I'll say, yeah, I'm still gonna get into the market around this side, right? As you can see, it has retested that zone, all right, in 5 minute time frame. It's retesting that zone, as I said to you guys. It's retesting that zone right now. So don't get in yet until this particular candle closes, right? Until candle closes, you don't get into the market, right? That will possibly give you the confirmation of where the market is going to finally. So make sure you drop comments. Make sure you drop comments. As you can see, exactly what I what I was talking about, and it's kind of giving us a huge rejection right there, right? It's giving us a rejection candle, right? It's giving us a rejection candle right there. It's giving us a rejection candle in 5 minute time frame, right? So that is another one. It's giving us a rejection candle. It has not closed yet, yeah, but it's giving us a rejection candle. Not just that, we need to also check our news and see what the news is doing, because we just can't get into the market and waste $500, right? So when you drop comments, it's very important if you drop comment, right? It's very important if you drop comments. All right, guys, just hold on. Now, that is it. That's what we're talking about. 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 But I've not seen a real confirmation for me to get into the market here. So I'm not going to get into the market until I receive a full confirmation. Until I receive a full confirmation. All right. This is a huge drop right there. So at this point, I'm going to get into the markets. All right. Now let it push it. Let it push up a bit. All right. Let it push up a bit. Let it push up a bit. Let it push up a bit. Because we need to be careful. This is just $500, and we need to be careful how we spend it. Let it push, because it will definitely push up a bit. It will definitely push up a bit. So let's just wait for it. It has given us the confirmation that yeah, there's going to be change in the market. Right? There's going to be change in the market, but we need to get that move right. Yeah. So that is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. We're in it. We're in it. So at this point, I can choose to get into the market here. And just to get into the market. Good. I just place a trade. I'm going to put my stop loss right here. Oh, the lot size is high. I didn't even check the lot size before getting into the market. Oh my god. All right, fine. Let's do this. Let's put it at to make $500 if possible. But I didn't check the lot size before. That is another mistake. That is another major mistake. So if you want to get into any market, make sure to check the lot size. This is the lot size I used yesterday, and my mind, my mind, my mind didn't go there. So that is another mistake right there. So if you want to place a trade, please check your lot size, right? Check your lot size. So, and if I, I, I didn't, I didn't, I didn't look at my lot size. I wish I looked at my lot size earlier. Maybe would have just be like 0.1, right? Done. 0.1. Okay, guys, we just place our first trade. We just need to wait to see what the market will do. Say, if you're not 100% sure about the market movement, you don't need to get into the market. If you're not 100% sure of the market movement, don't get into the market. If you're not 100% sure of the market movement, why did I say don't get into the market? So, back to 15-minute time frame. All right, guys, we're in this together. We're in this together. Okay, so please, where are you watching from? Drop it at the comment section. Please, let's make the life lively. Let's make the life lively together, right? Let's make the life lively together. Let's go, guys. Let's make it lively. Let's make it worth waiting. And you know what I'm talking about. So basically, we should be in profit already. We are in profit of $29, and it will get to a level that I will add more position, right? We get to a level that I will add more position, but basically not now, not now. So I told you guys that it will get here to retest this zone, right? To get here to retest this zone, but that's exactly what happened right there, and we get into the market around that zone. So we also need to wait, right? If we want to add more position, we need to wait, right? We need to wait, right? So just wait. Where are you watching from? Drop it at the comment section. See, I would like to see you and call you by your name. So if you drop comments now, I'll be able to see you and possibly call your name in the live. So please introduce yourself at introduce yourself in the comment section, right? I really appreciate you guys. You guys are wonderful. And if you are joining, please don't just join and go. Make sure you smash. Let's make it happen, guys. Okay. We're in this. 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 All right. We're in this. All right. All right. All right, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is gold. If you don't know what we're trading gold. We're trading gold. We're trading gold. It's gold. And now, let me check my analysis. The analysis that I did today. Very important. Check my analysis. Now this is the analysis I did today. Wow, this is a great improvement. So I didn't see it on time. This is GBP USD. This is GBP USD, right? This is GBP USD. If you can see clearly, you can see my analysis very clean, very clean, very clean. So the GBP USD, I am expecting it to get to this particular level. If you can see my hand, right? If you can see me clearly, right? If you can see my hand clearly. So this is a triangle strategy right here. So this is a triangle strategy right here. So it might have it might have taken a lot of people out here, right? It might have taken a lot of fight here, then get back and move in that same direction. So right here, if I should get into the market, I won't get into this market right now. I will wait for it to get to this level, either this level, this it is sorry, it is resistance level, right, to test this particular level, and eventually I'm expecting it to push back up. So that is it again. Okay, guys, please smash the like button, smash the like button. All right, guys. Okay, I'm seeing a sign of pushing back up. Good, but nevertheless, we are seeing it. And there is another analysis I did again today. I done analysis again today. Yes, the same thing. All right, the same thing. All right. So the market hits your stop loss. You don't have any reason to panic until the market hits your stop loss. And and if you can write this down, then it will be if you can write this down, then it will be very. And if the market has not gotten to your stop loss, right, don't close the market. Close the market. Just allow the market to take you out by itself, because that is what you have put that you are going to risk. So if it has not gotten to your stop loss, right, just hold on and don't panic, right, until made up your mind, you wouldn't have entered the trade, right? You wouldn't have entered the trade. And that's why I will keep telling you guys, hold on until the market take you out. At times it will get close to take you out, bounce back and enter your profit. And another one, don't add position if the first position is not profitable yet, right? Don't add position if the first position that you entered, if the first trade that you enter is not profitable yet, don't add position. Please write it down. Don't add position if the first trade that you took is not in profit. So now like this, uh, as you can see right here, I'm not gonna add position now unless I see a clear sign of rejection, right? Until the market, right? Until if this trade that I place here is in profit, I'm not gonna add any position. I'm not gonna add any position. So don't just keep yourself in a rush, right? Don't so that as you're trading, your mind is calm, right? It's good if you're trading, your mind is calm, right? Because trading is 50-50, and you also need to enter a high probability setup. If the setup is not clear to you, if you can't explain the setup, then there's no need for you to enter the trade, right? There's no need for you to enter the trade. So the setup have to be clear before you get into the trade. If the setup is not clear, don't get in. Don't get it. Don't just get in. So like exactly what is happening right here, right? Just what is happening right here. Until it take us out, we are not going out. Yeah, let's say I am, yeah, minus minus 100, 120. Until it take us out, we are not going out, right? Because that is what we have made up our mind that we're going to lose. So clear right in front of you. So yes, I know we have been profitable all these days. Yeah, all these days we have been profitable. We have been massively be profitable. So because we always enter high probability setup. For those guys that are here earlier, know how I enter the trade, right? How I analyze the get into this trade, right? So that is also my own. right? The setup, and that was why I get into this trade. But if you can't explain the setup, right? If you can't explain the setup, if the setup is confused, don't get into the trade. Because immediately you get into the trade, you are going to blow the account. You are definitely going to blow the account. So always enter a high probability setup. So our first mistake right here in this trade, we already know. For those that has been here earlier, already know our first mistake, right? Our first mistake right here is I didn't check the lot size before I get to the market. This was the lot size I used yesterday, but I cash out massively. So as you can see, my withdrawal stuff, as you can see, I withdrew about $600 this morning, and I also withdrew about $130 to make sure I keep the account around around $500 from our profit yesterday. And not just that, if you look closely, you will see that minus, as you can see right here, as you can see, minus 730. That is the 600 plus 130 withdrawal this morning. That is a cool part of it. So we are not playing here. We're here to move. We're here to make. And if you are always joining my life, make sure you fund your accounts, right? Because you are going to learn how to analyze the charts and how to place the charts and how to make it happen by yourself in the forex market. So drop where you're watching from in the comment section. Very, very important. Drop where you're watching from in the comment section. Drop where you're watching from in the section. Let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together, guys. So until the market takes us out, we are not going out. Until the market takes us out. And the most annoying thing of so many people is that, right? And I will also want you to understand this, right? Once the market is getting to your stop loss, don't extend your stop loss. Never you extend your stop loss. Okay? Write it down right here. Never you extend your stop loss. If the market is getting close to your stop loss, don't extend your stop loss. Never extend your stop loss. Okay? Because that is over trading, and that is revenge trading, right? Or that is you are trying to force the market to enter your profit, right? You are forcing the market to enter your profit, and that is very, very wrong. That is very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. Don't extend your stop loss if the market is getting close to your stop loss, right? Wait until it hits your stop loss before you close the trade, please. So we are still in it. So let's see what will happen. We are still in the trade. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We are in it. 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 Man. All right. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's get it. Chill background music to keep us moving. All right. One. Okay, guys. So I'm seeing several rejection there. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys, when this. As you can see, it's getting back to our profit. So at this point, I can choose to add more position, right? I can choose to add a position, right? Look at that, 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 look at that. So, okay, fine. So I'm gonna take a profit right there, 160. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's good for us. No panic, guys. No panic, guys. No panic, guys. No panic, guys. We're in this together, you know. Oh my god. Uh, yeah, no panic. All right, all right. You go hard or you go home. You go hard or you go home, guys. You go hard or you go home. Do you want to go home or you go hard? Yeah, you go hard or you go home. Well, yeah, you go hard or you go home, guys. That's where we are right now. Did I go hard or you go home? Yeah, guys. All right, this 5 minutes time frame. Let's get back to our time frame. Let's get our Fibonacci retracement ready because we need to check out our zone. So swing low and swing high. Please die. Oh my god, that is something there. Okay, and this is the major reason why I love using Fibonacci retracement to analyze my chart before I get into any market. But small profit is still cool. You know where to go and take our profit and rest. Oh my god. Yeah. No panics, guys. No panic. We're here together, man. We're here together. Until we make the cool cash, we're not going out, right? Right. So after all, we don't control the market, but whatsoever in the market um turn out to be, we're still fine. Right? Because we can actually explain on your entry, right? Unless if you can explain your entry, then there's no need for you to get into any um or to get into the market, right? Once you can explain your entry, right? So that is how it is. So I keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. If you're just coming, if you're just joining, make sure you drop comments, right? Make sure you drop comments and smash the like button. Very important. Smash the like button so that YouTube algorithm can possibly share it to more people, right? To more people. You know, what we're doing here is live, 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 right? It has been a winning trade all this while. So we've been winning all this while. So even if this goes out, it's still cool, right? But we grew this $500 to something tangible, right? To something tangible. So until it takes order out, we are not closing the markets until it takes order out. So we're on it, guys. We're on it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, that's forex for you, man. And this is gold. If you're just joining, this is gold. Gold, gold USD. It's gold USD. Okay. Yeah, man. We're still here. We're still here. We're just waiting for it to come back down, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. One reason why I get into this trade, right? One reason why I get into this trade. Look at this rejection right here. Look at this rejection right here. Give me a sign that the market is going to drop, right? There's been a several rejection up here. So I'm basically expecting this market to keep pushing down, keep pushing down. Yeah, we don't control the market, but we know that our knowledge has possibly making it for it, right? Yes, our confidence, our knowledge has make one or two ways for us right here. So now, don't panic if the market is not going your way. Don't panic. Never you panic, right? Don't make the market control you whenever it's not going your way, right? When it's not going your way, don't panic. All right, guys, we're in. We're expecting it to push back down, right? We're in, right? Yeah, that's how we do it here. Please, if you're just joining, smash the like button. Very, very important. Smash the like button if you're just joining. smash the like button, drop comments at the comment section. Very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. Okay, 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 okay. Now, guys, let me tell you a story, right? Let me tell you a story. Uh, there's a guy that credited his would have funded his account with about $1,000 recently, right? He's a complete beginner. He doesn't know much about the market, and what he keep doing, he keep extending his stop loss when the market is getting close to him. So eventually he blew the $1,000. So, and that's a lesson, right? That is a huge lesson. And whatsoever we are telling you guys right here is a lesson that we have learned in a hard way, right? It's a lesson that we have learned in a hard way. Wait until it takes you out, right? So I am waiting. Unless it takes us out, we are not going. And if it takes us out, then we need to rest for the day. Because I said I need to grow this $500, right? We need to grow this $500. We need to grow it. If we can't grow it live here, we can still grow it again tomorrow. So let's see. And as I've said earlier, if you can't explain why you are supposed to enter the market, then you don't need to get into the market if you can't explain why. Right? If you can't explain why. Right. Smash the like button if you've not done that. That will help. That will help if you've not done that. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Right, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I'm still here with you guys. Don't go anywhere. Let's wait to check out this result together, guys. I'm still here. Alright. This is doing us dirty, man. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We're still here. We're still here. We're still here. Not going anywhere. We're still here. Alright. Yeah. All right, guys, we're still here. We're not going anywhere. You know that. We're not going anywhere. We're still here. But yeah. All right, guys, we're still here. We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. Excuse me. Let's check the news. All right, it's right time to check the news. Again, check the news. All right. We need to understand. We need to know what eventually happened that makes the uh, gold to turn around like that. Yeah, we need to understand what happened. Okay, checking the news is very important, you know. All right, guys, we're still here, live and direct. Now there's no news coming out for now. Not any news dropping for now. All right, we're still here, guys. We're still here, guys. We're still here, guys. We're not going anywhere for now, man. We're not going anywhere for now. We're still here. Till the market take us out, we're not going anywhere. We're still here. Still here. We're still here. We're still here. All right, guys. Still here. Not going anywhere for now, man. Still here. We're still here. Live and direct. Yeah. Okay, guys. We stay here. We stay here, guys. Not going anywhere for now, man. Yeah. Eventually, I just happened suddenly. I start seeing some rejection back up, right? But no matter what it is, if if the trading or if the market is going against your analysis, right? I will always tell you guys not to panic, right? I will always tell you guys not to panic. And very importantly, don't close the charts or don't close the market if it does not hit your stop loss. And every trading, right? And every trade that you are taking or you'll be taking or you are entering or whatsoever, make sure you put your stop loss. First thing first, you put your stop loss. Because you have to calculate your stop loss and know how much you're willing to risk, right? You know how much you're willing to risk. Okay. And once you just put your stop loss, make sure you stay there. Stay there, don't go anywhere. Even if the market is coming close to take you out and you are certain about your analysis, don't go anywhere. Stay there until it hits your stop loss because that is what you have made up your mind. That's what you want to risk. So nevertheless, we stay here until it gets to take us out, right? If it takes us out, fine. Because according to my analysis and according to what I saw before I get into the market, it's still going to push back down. But if the other way around happen, then it's fine. Then it's fine, right? It's fine. and don't be anxious whenever you don't be anxious if you're taking a trade. Don't be anxious. Just be yourself and don't let the chat take away your joy. Right? Don't let the chat take away your joy. And if you're not okay with the analysis at the same time, don't get into the market until you are satisfied with your analysis, right? And that's why I will keep telling you guys that always enter the high probability setup. You enter only, right? Trade only high probability setups, right? If you're not sure of it, don't get it. You're sure until you are sure, right? Don't forget to give a subscribe button. Yeah. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget at all, man. Hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, let's be honest. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Right. I'm still here. And please always join the live by 11 a.m. Nigeria time. Nigeria time, 11 a.m. every day. Every day, 11 a.m. Nigeria time. Make sure you join my live, 11 a.m. Nigeria time. Right? Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. If you've not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button. So it's very, very important. So aside from the trading going against you, I believe that a lot of you guys has a lot of things today. So it's getting close, but we are not going out. Because definitely we are going to flip the 500. So definitely we are going to flip the $500. Doesn't mean anything. We don't flip it. All right, let's go, guys. If we can't flip it today, then we'll flip it tomorrow. But definitely we are going to flip the $500. We don't care what the market is saying. We don't care what the market is doing until it hit our stop loss and take us out. We're not going anywhere, right? It's getting close to take us out. Very close to take us out. And never extend your stop loss. Never extend your stop loss. Never. But if you're in profit, you can break even or tighten your stop loss. But you don't close your stop loss when you have already put it. All right. The rejection has said a lot, right? The rejection has said a lot. The rejection has said a lot. But we're still here. Let's see the magic, right? Just hold on and let's see the magic. See, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, our first trade has been taken out. Fine. As you can see, as you can see above there, other close, right? On SNES, the second position has been taken out. Fine, we good, right? We good, no anxiety, we stay happy, right? That is what trading is all about, right? So don't ever let trading upset your life, right? Don't let trading upset your life. Now, basically, we should still wait to see and prepare for another position right here. So we are still going. Let's check other currency pairs and let's see if we can get a clear position here. We can enter. That is a trade that has been expected. GBP USD right here. Okay, and let's look for trade. Let's look for trade. Now, we have to start fresh analysis, right? We have to start fresh analysis, and this is 15-minute time frame. What we need to do right now is to bring up our Fibonacci retracement and get a clear entry of where we're going to. Basically, that was our first mistake. Before I could notice, the market has already gone fast. So let's bring out our Fibonacci retracement because I usually don't do that Fibonacci retracement. All right, that is a Now, this is time to right. This is time to learn. So, I teach you guys free here. This is time to learn. Now, what is Fibonacci retracement? Right, is for you to retrace that particular level and keep pushing back, up or down. And there are levels that are being respected, right? Like this level right here, 23.60 is the key level, right? As you can see, immediately it hits that 23, right? Let me expand it very well so you guys can see it, right? Okay, as you can see, once it hits this 23.60 level, the major thing that is going to tell you right here that this market will keep pushing back up because it has retraced that side. That will trade that side. If you look closely right here, you will see our recent high. And that's why we always tell you guys that whenever you're getting into a market, make sure you mark out your recent high and your recent low. Basically, right now, this is our recent low right here. This 23.06 and 60 is our recent high. So now, what the market is basically telling us right now is going to it has get over here to retrace here, and once market gets over to retrace this, as you can see how red it is, immediately it gets to retrace this particular level, it's going to push back up. Right at times, market will come all the way to retrace the 33.20, right, 38.20 push back up. Now, what the market is telling us now right here, that even if you enter sell, right, even if you change up, you made up your mind and say, okay, I'm going to enter, I'm going to keep buy and still keep buying. So eventually, it has hit our trend line from right from the Fibonacci retracement. So it's giving us the clarity and the mind that yes, this market will still keep pushing up. So now we need to look for analysis, right? We look for analysis to find a way to hit this um to double the $500 that we put here. Very important. We need to find a way to double it, to hit it up. Very important. Hit it up. We need to hit it up. Right. We really need to hit it up. Okay, guys, let's do this, guys. Okay, that's what I told you guys. As you can see, the analysis right here is right, and the market is flying up to the moon. Not just that. So, as I told you guys, triangle retracement, right? This is triangle strategy. Triangle strategy. The one below and the one above, right? The one below and the one above. As you can see, immediately it breaks it. It's supposed to get all the way here to retrace this particular level or to retrace this level, as I said earlier. And eventually, that's exactly what happened. And it's pushing back. So nevertheless, so let's check out our gold, our gold. This gold has for my hand today. So I'm really gonna leave it like that. So really gonna leave it like that. So what I'm expecting right here, so a trace right here. Take that out. Okay. I'll leave it. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's go. 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 Now we need to take a rest and get back again tomorrow. that you will not end up blowing your account, right? If the market did not favor you, go back, right? Go back. No one is forcing you to stay in the market. Get Go back, re-strategize, get back. So we're gonna get back tomorrow and we're gonna flip the $500 again. Yeah, I know we're down, but we'll push it up. So guys, bye for now.